Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on TikTok. Let's get started. At first, open the TikTok app on your device. Now click on Profile. Now click on three-dot line. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down. Now tap on Display. Now choose Dark option. Successfully done. By this process, you can easily enable dark mode on TikTok. Thanks for watching.